This is the wind tree, a tree-shaped wind turbine inspired by Mother Nature that has the awesome capability of generating sustainable electricity. Developed in France by the New World Wind, this adorable wind tree consists of 3 steel trunks that stem into smaller branches, on which the aero leaves or the 36 leaf-shaped micro-turbines are attached. The aero leaf takes advantage of all types of wind, whether it's a gentle breeze or a powerful gust. It optimizes the use of dispersed energy and produces maximum power, regardless of the direction of the wind or the weather conditions. While the aero leaves are lightweight and practically always in constant motion, its rotation doesn't make any noise. This is due to its direct drive mechanism that doesn't require belts or gears to operate. The wind tree can also withstand turbulent storms and lasts up to 25 years. One wind tree with 36 turbines saves 864 kg of coal per year, or 41 15-litre jerry cans of fuel per year. It can provide energy for 15 street lights of 100-watt LEDs, lighting for 71 parking spaces, 100 square meter of office space with a low energy consumption at 20 kWh per square meter, and 83% of an average French household's consumption, excluding heating and air conditioning. It can also be planted wherever green energy is needed, from the rooftops and streets of bustling cities to corporate office buildings, small towns and remote villages. The leaves come in different colors, from light and dark green, orange and yellow to light and dark blue. The trunk comes in off-white, brown wood and steel grey. You also have the option to add LED lights, a charging port and air purifying leaves, etc. New World Wind also utilizes the sun with its development of the wind tree with solar petals that stretches the technology even further depending upon your household or office's electrical needs and budget. While a major component of New World Wind's mission is to provide renewable energy, it also honors the presence of real trees. For every energy tree purchased, the company plants 10 trees and provides a certificate. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.